Hello friends, welcome back to another informative video on business topics. Today we're going to discuss the difference between the two terms trading and investing. Stock trading is about buying and selling stocks for short-term profit, with a focus on share prices, and people who trade become traders. And investing is about buying stocks for long-term gains, and people who invest become investors. Both involve seeking profit in the stock market, but they pursue that goal in different ways. The main difference between trading and investing is that traders jump in and out of stocks within weeks, days, even minutes with the aim of short-term profits. Investors have a longer-term outlook. They think in terms of years and often hold stocks through market volatility. The focus of traders and investors is also different. Traders often focus on a stock's technical factors rather than a company's long-term prospects. What matters to traders is which direction the stock will move next and how the trader can profit from that move. Investors study a company's potential for long-term growth or value, then buy and hold, but traders often take advantage of small mispricings in the market. So-called scalp traders might be in a position for just minutes. Day traders are focused on the trading day, while swing traders invest for days or weeks. Now, the question that comes up in our mind is, what is the wise way of trading? If you're interested in trading, here are some things to consider to minimize your risk. Create a plan that dictates when you'll buy and sell. For example, you might decide to sell if a stock rises or falls a certain percentage. Stick to your plan. Even experienced traders let their reasoning for holding certain stocks shift. Figure out how much money you can afford to lose and don't trade more than that. Go in with open eyes. The stock market's long-term average return is 10%, and studies have shown that it's extremely difficult for even professional traders to beat the market. Know your taxes. You might be able to take a tax deduction for trading costs, but you might also owe taxes. Rates on short-term gains range from 10 to 37%. To ensure protection against fraud and misrepresentation, an investor should trade only through registered brokers, brokerage houses, and agents. Investing is a way to build long-term wealth. Remember that 10% average stock market return? Sometimes it's lower, sometimes it's much higher, but you have to stay invested to reap the rewards. The three main types of risks involved in investing in the stock market are volatility, timing, and overconfidence. Here are some things to consider. Create an investment plan for buying, selling, and rebalancing your holdings. For example, some people sell some holdings and buy others to get the portfolio back in line with original goals after market moves have pushed it out of whack. Consider index funds, which don't try to beat the market but mirror the performance of a market index. Know your investing strategy. That includes knowing what your goals are, retirement, college tuition, etc., and how much risk you can tolerate. Be prepared for the long haul. You'll need patience and discipline to stick through the market's ups and downs. Now the question is, which is better, trading or investing? Trading and investing are two different ways of approaching the stock market. With trading, you're hoping to earn quick returns based on short-term fluctuations in the market. Long-term investors, in contrast, tend to build diversified portfolios of assets and stay in them through the ups and downs of the market. If you have a low risk tolerance and want to avoid volatility, investing will be the way to go. But if you're more of a risk taker and would like the chance to earn big returns fast, trading could be appealing. Due to the high-stakes nature of trading and its inherent risks, many investors, especially individuals, may want to avoid it altogether. However, others may want to allocate some of their available funds towards trading and the rest towards long-term investing. Hope you get to know much about the difference between trading and investing in the stock market with this video. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.